Hello, I'm Betty Hurley, and I'm one of the developers of this open course, Mathematical Journey. What you're seeing here is the screen for Mathematical Journey. The URL for it is here. Those of you enrolled in the course, I will be sending you that URL, so you don't need to copy it right now. I am going to take you through the course. It is done in WikiEducator, and it is part of a project of OERU, Open Educational Resources University, of which Empire State College is a partner. And this really is a special course because it is a journey, and you are the one taking the journey. You do have a facilitator for this journey. In the Empire State College pilot, it is one of our instructors, and you will have the name of that person. On this initial page, there is a description of the course, and you certainly should take a look at that. Note in here and in a lot of these pages, there is what's called a navigational area. You will find that the links within the course are a little bit subtle, but if you do move over them, you see that if it does go somewhere, that you will get the hand, and you can click on that. We'll begin with taking a look at the course guide, which you should also do. And I'm not going to go through all sections of the course guide, but note again here you have a navigational area, and the darkened part is the page that you're on. You definitely should take a look at the outcomes and aims for this course. And if you want to know more about the development team, you can look at that. This is a link actually to this video, so since you're in the video, you don't need that. You should take a look at Getting Started, which gives you a little bit of information. Some resources. Be sure you do look at the assessment overview, because that will tell you the assessment information, repeat the goals of the course. That's in a number of places in the course. And very important, it gives you the course rubric, and then also shows you how the different assignments meet that course rubric. So that's a very important page in the course information that you should definitely review. Then there is a course schedule here, and again, that is in different places within the course. It's also within the study guide, and so you may even want to bookmark this page because that's going to be the heart really of your course. So I'm just going to go back and note you often have this link here to go back to Mathematical Journey, which takes you to the home page. And where you'll be working from a lot is what's called the study desk. So this, as you see, includes the course schedule again. And it is something that you'll be returning to again and again. Note in the course schedule, it gives you a sense of the weeks in which you should be doing different parts of the course. You can work through with your instructor. These are estimates if you need a little bit more time for some sections. Note that the heart of the course is in the skill development area. You definitely in week 1 should take a look at the course introduction, and note that there's 2 very important things that you should address early on. One, which is getting set up with the Khan Academy, which is where you will be doing your assessments, and the other, which is mentioned in here, is that you do need to set up some kind of a journal. We recommend either Blogger or Weebly. And if you have a question about that or want to set up a journal somewhere else, please feel free to talk to your instructor. You are welcome to use the college's Mahara system to set up your journal, and if you have questions about that, please contact your instructor. So that's certainly an important piece. Note that there are activities that you should look at each time, and once you get to later weeks, there are specific assignments to do. What you'll be doing after setting up your journal is the initial assessment, and there's information in here specifically about the Khan Academy, so if you've not done this already, you should do that. There is a video about the Khan Academy, and note that there are two options that you should look at carefully, and you probably are going to be doing option 1, but if you have a lot of background in algebra, you may very well want to try option 2. And I'm just going to do the back arrow to get me back to the study desk. The next will be a spreadsheet review, and if I clicked on this, you would get a page of some videos about spreadsheets. So you definitely should look at those, and the assignment for this is to create a spreadsheet of your own, and you will be submitting that for review. You will next go to the skill development, and I do want to click on that one because that does involve a good number of steps. And based on how you did on the initial assessment, you probably in conversation with your instructor will want to go through each of these areas, and note that there are 2 columns. You should do the worksheet first, and then once you've completed the activities there, then go and check to see how you're understanding using the Khan Academy link. So let's go to one of these. And again, you'll see that there's a navigation area here. So there, the objectives are listed here, and you should take a look at those carefully. There'll be this may be actually just an audio, short audio explanation of the area. Then the important one is the study plan. And again, you do have to watch because after taking a look at these short areas, there is a click here to go to a page of further information. So don't miss that click and read over that page. Once you've read over that page, you should answer these questions in your journal, and then the Khan Academy link is here as well as on the other page. So you can definitely go here to the Khan Academy, or you can go back to this part and actually to the previous page and do the Khan Academy. You do, once you've finished doing that, reflect on your learning again in your journal. So please make sure you do that each time. So we're going to go back. Oh, and actually I could have gone to the study desk from that other place. Once you've completed all of the skill development and have confirmed that with your instructor, the next thing is to do what's described here as a group project. Now, actually, during the pilot, we have a small number of students, so this probably is not going to be a group project. It probably is going to be an individual project. But you'll note when you go to here that it does take you to the activity and to a page which describes some possible group projects. And you should take a look at each of these, and certainly if you want to do something different, you are welcome to do so. Probably the best way back from here is the back arrow. And then you will do the group project, and you see here you're given about 3 weeks in which to do that, and some options on where to put that page, and that will depend on what kind of project you want to do, and then you will confirm that, and there is a rubric for the group project. You should take a look at that to make sure your project is a good one and does meet the expectations in the rubric. So there is a bit of navigation certainly within this course, but as long as you stay within this page and stay in touch with your instructor, your facilitator, you should be fine, and I wish you the best on your journey.